learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Hakka training on ICRT, and we're taking this train to Hsinchu County and transfer over to Baoshan Township. Now, Baoshan literally means treasure mountain. I wonder what kind of treasures we can find here. 今天带大家到宝山乡，在新竹县哦，坐着火车到新竹再转车。那既然叫宝山乡，那应该有很多宝可以挖喽。等一下让 Leo 来介绍一下。哇，Leo 啊，来到宝山乡，一定有很多宝可以来这边挖啦哈。
当然啦，今天就要带你来挖宝，就是老屋这个宝。
对，老屋都有100年历史的啊。
是啊，
去哪一家？
首先来介绍我们这个邱家的河南堂。
OK，
这当时的主人他们是每天从这个峨眉乡啊走路挑着沙土到宝山，然后搭砖窑烧砖，经过了3年多才盖好的。所以这个老屋可以发现到那个客家的祖先一砖一瓦的严谨态度哦，
一砖一瓦，慢工出细活，这样子才感受得到那个历史。可是，为什么这边叫河南堂？难道邱家是来自于河南吗？
对啊，像我呢，姓黄，我们的就叫做江夏堂。
那，我姓林，那你知道林的都是从哪边呢？
西河堂。
真的假的啊？这个很棒很有饮水思源的感觉，这真的很棒。这个100年的宝挖得好啊！
说到100年的宝，我再来介绍你另外一个活动哈。这个活动是一个新兴的活动，叫做迎花人，他就安排了一对100年的八公八婆做神教来出巡。
花神是我们的土地公，还有土地婆啦，对不对？有这样的一个活动，也是100年的八公跟八婆啊。
没错，
这里真的是名副其实的宝山乡啊！走，我们去挖宝。
If you made a brick house by yourself, would it last 100 years? Just past Sanfeng in Hsinchu County, Henan Hall has survived that long. It was built by the Qiu family as they walked from Emei Township, taking clay with them to make the bricks. After 3 years, the house was finished and stands as a testament to the local Hakka culture. And in the Shenjing community, there's a new event called Welcoming the Flower God, where a local god and goddess are carried around on a palanquin to give blessing to the people.
好，最后呢，当然要请 Leo 来教我们几个单字喽。
没问题。
我们刚刚看那个老屋啊，都是用砖盖起来的砖呢。OK, those are bricks, where the old houses are made of. 那我们的土地公、土地婆呢？
八公八婆。
And now you know, it's all about Hakka training on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.